guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adrienne. I'm your average millennial working a 9-to-5 job, and I make YouTube videos every week where we talk about how to live a well-balanced life while also managing your money well. If you want to learn how to take control of your money and your life, consider subscribing below so that you know when I post new videos. Continuing our series of how to extreme coupon, today we are going in depth to the deep sea that is Target. We are gonna go through everything you need to know to start couponing at Target and maximize your savings while you're doing it. So the first thing you need to know is Target starts a new sales cycle every Sunday. So Sunday through the next Saturday is when that sales cycle will be valid. You can find the weekly ad in store near like the entrance, or you can find it online, or you can find it on your phone on the mobile app. So the first thing I want to talk about are the two specific ways that you can save more at Target. So these are two things that Target offers that no other store really offers. So the first one are Target Cartwheel. So Target Cartwheel is a part of the Target app where you can add % off and cents off coupons to your specific barcode, and when you add those discounts to your barcode, you can scan that barcode when you check out, and all of the discounts will come off when you scan that barcode one time. So you can find discounts as large as, like, I've seen 75% off all the way down to like 5% off. A lot of like in-house brand things that Target has, like Market Pantry, they often have like 5% off, things like that, like cheese or generic things like that. You can use the app in store to scan items to find out if there is a Cartwheel discount on that item. It is good to note that these % off coupons and digital coupons that are actually considered manufacturer coupons. So you can't combine these manufacturer coupons with another printout manufacturer coupon. Each Cartwheel discount can be used 4 times per transaction. So if you wanted to buy 5 bottles of lotion, you could only, with a Cartwheel, you could only use that Cartwheel 4 times. So it only comes off 4 times instead of 5. And you can also only scan each unique Cartwheel barcode, you can only scan 6 times per day. So the second way that Target has where you can specifically save is through the Target ad coupons. So these can be found either in the Target ad that I was talking about earlier. You can find like a physical coupon, or what I like to do, because it's paperless and it saves the environment kind of, hopefully, is use the mobile app. So the mobile app has the coupons in them, that the same coupons that are in the weekly ad. You can find them if you open the Target app. On the bottom, it'll have different tabs. One of the tabs is Wallet. Click on Wallet and then click on View Coupons, and you'll find all of the coupons that Target is offering that week. And these coupons typically are only around for the week of the sales cycle, so from Sunday to Saturday, and are changed every week. For example, this week we have a $10 off $40 purchase of apparel, shoes, and accessories. There's also another coupon for 15% off indoor and outdoor furniture and rugs. So these can be used in combination with manufacturer coupons, Target Cartwheel discounts, and mobile and mail-in rebates. So the second thing I want to talk about are the types of deals that Target has. Now these are the 3 most common ones. The 3 main ones are, and I'll talk about another separate one. The first one is sale deals. Now these are items that are discounted from their original price for a certain amount of time, but after that they're going to go back to their original price. For example, Nutella this week is on sale for $2.99 as opposed to its original price, which is $3.49, so it's a 50-cent discount. So it'll be on sale for a certain amount of time, and on top of that we have a checkout 51 discount for $1.50 off, which makes the final total to be $1.49. Next thing I want to talk about are clearance items, and I'm going to explain how they're different than sale items. Clearance items are items that have been marked down, but they are marked down so that the store can sell them and sell all of them. They're not going back to its original price. These are often like seasonal items or items that are damaged. For example, a couple weeks back, I did a Target coupon deals this week video, In it, you'll see I had a RX bar peanut butter packet that I found on the clearance section, and it was originally priced at $1.49. And it ended up being marked down to like 89 cents, but it ended up being marked down to like 99 cents, but it actually rang up for 74 cents. So it was 74 cents on clearance. I'm not sure if they were trying to get rid of them or something, but it was on clearance for 74 cents. And then we had a 55 cents off Ibotta offer. I ended up getting the packet of peanut butter for 19 cents, which was really fun because I could just slip it in my backpack and have peanut butter when I wanted to. I ended up eating it with some oatmeal. The next type of deal that Target has, and these are very unique to Target, are these gift card deals. So Target has a lot of buy 3, get a $5 gift card, or buy 4 of these, get a $10 gift card, something like that. Which basically means you buy 3 or 4 or however many they require, you buy however many of those items, and you'll get back a $5 or a $10, whatever, gift card at the register to spend next time when you go to Target. These are great sales because you can use all sorts of coupons on top of these gift card deals, which I consider is like getting cash back because I go shopping so much. For example, this week Target had a deal going when you buy any 3 Swiffer, Tide, Gain, Downy, Bounce, Cascade, Puffs, Charmin, or Bounty products that qualify, you'll get a $10 gift card back. So you can buy any 3 of those products that you need, either ones that you have a lot of coupons for or ones that are items that you really need in your household, and you'll get a $10 gift card back. So this is like another layer of savings that goes beyond like the manufacturer coupons and the store coupons and the mail-in rebates, everything. This is an additional savings. The third thing I want to talk about are the things you should really know about shopping at Target in particular. The first thing is that Target has a great price matching guarantee. So you can price match pretty much everything in the store to the Target website, to pretty much any online retailer, but also any local retailer, whether it's in their ad. You can bring that in 14 days, up to 14 days after you've purchased your item, and you will get your money back. Now, you can use this price matching guarantee on top of all of the discounts. However, you cannot use the price matching guarantee with a cartwheel. So you can use like coupons, manufacturer coupons, store coupons, all of that, but you can't use the cartwheel deal. I also wanted to talk about the order of discounts that come off when you're shopping at Target, because there's so many ways to save. The first are Target coupons come off first. So Target store coupons that are specific to one item, those come off first, and then Target cartwheel coupons. Then your manufacturer coupons will come off, and then any Target threshold coupons. So those are the coupons, like the mobile coupons that are like $10 off $40 worth of blank products. So those are all of my tips on shopping at Target. Comment below if you have any tips to share with me, and comment below if you want me to do another video on a different store. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.